I bet Mona help me invite these stupid people before. They don't ban me from going live on the other. I beg, get me invite. Tag Agnes Teresa. Tag Agnes Teresa. I bet me invite. I bet me invite. Help me invite. We are just two here now. Please help me to invite. Please help me invite. I want to. Please, they have blocked my other accounts. Help me to invite, oh please. Help me to invite Agnes Teresa. Help me to invite, please. Help me to invite. Monica, 10 years, Mugu, you are welcome. Please help me to invite Agnes Teresa. And Monica, they just juju. I've been trying to invite them. I don't know, but I put it on public. I put this Facebook on public. Help me to invite, please. Please help me to invite. Please, they block Nana. They block Nana. Yes, they block me. I don't know if you go on live for that one again. I bet me invite them. Me I disgwagwa this Lawa. I bet me invite Agnes Teresa. Now my Facebook now she know great Edo State. She don't know this one. Ah, my love. I respect my love. I love you, darling. You're welcome. Okay, I bet me invite people. I beg. Let me invite. Let me invite. I beg. Let me invite, darling. Let me invite. So may I tell you the matter because I don't know whether Precious May, whether she not get sense or whether she carry her head put for ground. Or I don't know. I don't know. All Precious May record there with me. I go still play them. All the record from 2018 January till now. I get all in record. One what we do for messenger and yeah, because as you see me, I'm not a betray person. But now she call for the betray and I go betray her. She call for the betray and I go betray. As you see me, so everybody where I follow play, they know me. I can't betray you. But when you call for my betray, I go fuck up you pass out. See what betray way. Because he can suru no sugbo ma wa suru no sugbo maybe suru no sugbo we. So what am I trying to say? So you know how me Precious May. You know we know where we win Monica. Na we da Monica hin. You know we lolo no ro lolo ebe ma. You know we metiki we lolo ga ha me Monica kegeni ade we giagbewa. You know we lolo we win na. We why we win Monica kekebe. In win a lolo o wi yen ri gun ayo yen we na we sin ni ajun ni agbelegbin awa na because or too much ni agbere Facebook na kere ni ade so ina atama very on that was then no we ni me my lie golden fish family I never enter before this one can happen she can say okay so we can dey carry ourselves dey go so one day she can call me that time where I tell her this thing so I go still share them. I'll share the date and everything. They my WhatsApp. I know they delete, but I block them. If I reverse, I go reverse because I get backup. So I call the tell them say, "Giya evasion belegbiya wa egun ajo abe yen eva na we amun we gboto." She can't say because if near we so we just talk for WhatsApp. So that time we are even day safe. Be like say I did London. I did London. Now my London number, abi. I did London. I don't did Nigeria. I did London or I did Italy. Be like say na my London number. Now she call that day. Either my London number or my Italy number. Now she call. So we can't talk. So we can't forget about that issue. So it can't call for whether I pa this thing call. I don't know. That somebody can't tell me say they hear Precious Men say they insult Lolo. Now me can't call Precious Men say Precious Men, but you promise me say you know top for these two people matter. May you leave them and make the kids yourself now. I can't they try to tell her like that. Say me they kid yourself. I mean I want make Monica video. I want make come out because Monica na useless person. Me I want me Lolo bring out the video. Let make me just do like this. So, blah, we can't forget. We just can't forget. I don't know what she can't even talk. Cause say, Mary me Precious Meg. He can't hear because my boy say my own there from my dance. You understand? I beg every Facebook. You know now upload there. Right? Now I like even why so I gonna have like been na we go we agbina. So I don't know what Precious Meg can't write. That Jesper can't they insult Precious Meg. Now I can't call and say, you see, now everybody don't they insult you. May you forget about these people now. I can't write down for my Ivie Kweku say, Muna no they insult my sister again, no Precious Meg. People can't attack me. I can't tell and say, we are here for Monica. We are not here for Precious Meg. Move face Monica, but they no one here. Now I block that Facebook because me as I be vex. As I block that Facebook, now I go. Precious Meg, this thing now block her. I'm not going to talk to her again. So I can't do video about her. Say me, I don't know. Say that Precious Meg, Monica, now Precious Meg they fine friendship. Now she define. So Precious Meg can't go use another WhatsApp number. Say allow me. Say Joy, you know say you go fit do this one. You can't insult and waiting do me. Blah blah blah. I can't try to calm her down. Say. Many meta now we beg. When my begging ni me kata when you rock by insult you. So I not be say Precious Meg. I'm rock by no the one you want no gungbe I'm unjo kuta So I just gonna try to calm her down. Just calm her down. So me and she can resolve our issue. I can't tell her and say this matter. May you forget inside. Niya value beleg me because niya eva or Facebook in a tier bonnet ranviri. So I can't try to. Good evening, Sylvester. Siva Love. Good evening. So I come to try to make her day okay. So she can't tell me say she not go talk put again. Blah blah blah. I just many things where she talk, many things where me talk. I go upload all the WhatsApp this thing. So I can't say okay. So we can't forget. She can't say bye bye. I can't tell her and say make she calm down, make she forget about Lolo, make she not dey insult Lolo again. Say now two of them I gotta insult her. She can't tell me say no be only say now Lolo and I make Monica dey insult her. Now I tell her say no Monica I ma. So we can't just talk like that. I just forget Precious Meg. I don't even know. After we don't talk finish, I just still block her again. I don't like person where they betray person. I just block her. Just delete. I just cause I get back up. If I press Precious Meg, now only backup will come out. For my Facebook now, so even though I block you, once I press back this thing, it will come back again. Everything with me and you don't talk from starting to the end. Everything will come back for my WhatsApp, even for my Facebook, because I do backup the put. So now, so you can't reach you can't forget this thing. So this barking dog, where they use gun take kill him mama hot afternoon, where mama no go come life again. No wa bon. No ma bieja no mwenwe dan no gbabe no zuwa no salo ave na re okikpo. You just come dey talk and this afternoon say Joy Thomas if you come imo warokba abi wa ma we black woman in the dark me hin wa zuwa abi come no munwa abi me come on the frustration log when the frustration log wa viero eriyo nu dan susu me come on the frustration log wa. Precious Meg, I beg if you need audio, when me and you they play since 2018, I go send her enter Facebook. Mo we see what me and you don't talk for Facebook. Or what me and you don't talk for Facebook and WhatsApp. I go play all of them come out. What concern me concern you? Abi you they find me? If you dey find me, I'll give you. Mwana we bebo. La wo me analyze something. Me I just calm down myself. Me I don't want me they block me for this one. Because they don't block me not to go live on my great Edo State. They don't ban me. They not still come ban me for this one. What am I trying to say? Precious Meg, I don't know you for any dance. I don't fight for you, say blah blah blah. Where they insult Papa Wala? I they insult and say Papa Wala don't fuck Monica. May they bring that picture come out. Now you even call me say I beg. Me I not put Papa Wala for that topic again. Say you Papa Wala na your goddaughter. Now I tell us na your godfather. Now I tell you say they not time we. Monica won't done ni aka we Wala we never. You say I beg ni la gogo e picture wala ni up ni hear you turn ni mo picture wala la dan ni la gogo. Precious me so why you can't go carry the voice message can't go give no je American ya wo bo wa give and give wetin concern you wey you can't go carry the audio wey me and you play. Okay, as you can't play another can't play another Lolo go say I be bad person or Monica Melissa go say hey Imu amorokpa, Lolo or Melissa, all of them, I not they fear anybody. I be you here say that they feed me. Even you they feed me. You they craze. Not let me come for you. Agumere noe. Yawe uno ma ya tawa orionba. Uno ya praise we gume ya gwa Congo carry my voice me Congo give them so I muginya ne where go away me Facebook ivie la wa la reo no elede ne go akwe u bege na ibe gie we go akwe nu ya jo yugo u ma ve mi o idere ki e 5 euro ma mi regalo ne ave regalo ne ni amunu Amerike uno wa gbe ya me give and give uno wa ya hwe we no wa a foundation no wa mo you wa me uno wa ya dollar gbe na go ko dollar Ugu ya dollar gbe no na ya pente gbe we ya from head to toe. He was Jesus Christian. Abiona. Muna CBC what you. I'm fine, darling. Thank you. Muna CBC one thing because I tell this woman that they say she never bath. She just go Mary Kay, all these gifts we Mary Kay they give them. She just soak am for water. I just say na 3 days. Now she just soak that foundation for water 3 days. You can't use her bath this afternoon. You can't go carry gown that complete where she wear now 15 euro. Now they say now Chinese queen dish 15 euro. Now they say that stupid complete when you wear. Ave suta guess o geni o we yani ke moroko bibila lawa o geni ge we muna no verse I insult to now suta people abeg muna no verse now be human being. I just want to upgrade them because she never upgrade. She dey talk to gallant people like us. Are you stupid? Are you mad? Wezwa abi we mewa ma hwene mana hwene ave ni wan mana igori e center table o we winyere festaku we ma bie o ma de baby food do mana bo wa tete bonu we o ma bie o ma ni go ne baby food hunwe ki o ma nu go nu pomo mo hunwe ki o ma ni go ne mi o mo hunwe ki we ni mana te bo wa tete bonu we mana te bo wa agu ki ologo we o wa jinwi na from January to December o ma ti be bo wa o mana ti be ri o toge tu hin abo wa tete bonu we Abitu wezuo wa de geo ne gweri okpon. That one still pass. She can't carry one woman, one lifeless woman, one wish where they don't confess, where they all those places for Oselu. That place, if you not go Oselu, that Oselu run about, get where they build for which way they there. Now one woman way they there, now this woman go call. They call her Mama Osagbori, because I hear in voice. That woman and winch. If you hear her name, you won't go on there. Oh, a deck bear you, you ain't we can a denak bear you over the go your body, and I am with you. Avian Revani, no Avian no cavazen. So when you me one or you get a gear, and you are till the 10,000 naira you could have no there. Oh no, was one talo, papa, and you la go. Nene bon we or bon agbomana ma we because agbomama we 15 euro we jo. ou pay 50 euro we ye jo wana gbon ma dini go he jouk me 15 euro poni nu we jo ni avi daro gi jouk money I daro gi avi AliExpress davi daro gi jo e moskino sef avi daro gi je moskino ama we no mama na avi besh avi shere were nu we deni abi we ma bega ge shere were we muni wawege me o wawege e woman na o Ilare Dubai gold we vio yuruni Dubai gold washi gold 8 karat Dubai gold o we vio yuruni abu we mama on o wa wi mama on Dubai gold o wa ru runi shere were rumosele gunwe woni we obi God has done it amehia mujo wa kwa da iwa on wa otwena ti Celestina oni e wa dugori no we pant o mo enji Obi akembo eru wa wune no ya we sentro no ya gwe stella we sentro we Torino ori okpa ye Nigeria na ori okpa ye ewebu bo na gberu wa na kembo oru enwa yun we wa instru wa otwene kozi la vita no ga are Napoli no jun ya bie ko are Nigeria oru ya are family instru we na ye na load I ga load ye Facebook we delete gbo we Facebook abi biaze abu wuju wa no we ma be getin akiju wa no hu Ivie baba nera no mamie nwanera ma eru wa no kwa keke biju wa no kwa o ame wa ya gbiyan wa juwo wa e kozi la vita ni wo sa la gbon wo sa la iju o wan giju ye ladian o sa gbiju e God has done it o wiju wa mo ye we mu o wiju ye video me hian mo wiju e fo iju e mo wa e Celestina no viju e yan wa yoji ya wo ni e oni e wa dugo ji no wa mo yi we pant e wo e ya ri wo wa o wa zuwa Abitu wa menwe. Who are you people? Are you guys okay? Ive ayoko dolo wona adi Facebook. Eri yan ron na, eri yan awe nokpa. Ive lawo Suzy ma kan lolo, ma lolo de ba lolo. I'm still saying it. E lolo eri eva me. Can you charge my phone please? Thank you. Lolo area that ene lolo. Kenene Melissa ima de banya rokpa. You don't see ogu me feko. Even mina na ya sunu e mate adeba lolo mate deba Monica yan eva mete mo bogbe but igi bere ne ya so abu wa ma bere previous video me. Igi bere ne lolo ya tie bone Monica ya tie bone lolo ina deba lolo. Ite deba waiva, ite bonu waiva. Igi begeme ne Monica ya disgrace lolo o se we 10 years. Una ladian do atie bonu viere ma ladian. Eni ya me ya deba lolo. Me te we me bi o me no wa we. Me vous se me te we deba ne Monica ne na atie bonu lolo. E lolo ri ranu ladian. Me mami me no my friend if you see wetin he do me. My friend if you see wetin he do me, me na wa deba Monica. Me gi begeme mami mi rokpa no we Monica. Yutu wa zo un popore u fi gure ni nere eladanu ya yodukun wa fi lekwa o salobo o bonava wo we meme a ya evie la wa degbe reme ya renu e bonore Senegal bonore Abidjan Sri Lanka re boya fefefe no wa ma de hen ya mula jan so he nu wa zo a abo wa we yeru we biebi nu wa je nu ya we bo we biebi ni e bonu wa yoji wa we we ne wa degbe ya bunya ya brabia wa ma re bori yo we ya gbale bonu nu where me rokpa. Suzy gunwe woni we. Who have your picture? I deba lolo. I'm still telling you. I deba won rokpa. Ya bege mi no mama itai. Ya bege mi no ma itai. I wa fi we san lolo hinu wa gbo we san no we don't know. Monica and lolo yen vaga constitute nuisance in Facebook na. But e matter na we no ya dere. E lolo explain egbe ne we. Iyan wo sin ma gu ye mi no sunu ye mi no se eniyan na laden. Why boyen na se? En wa de bakpa. Are you people okay? Rudo maybe wa waka mo we lolo we lolo waka mu wa we na go he. O suwe ki wa we na go. E no wa suwe ki wa ne ku wa ne o kan metiji. Egbera ba ni. Wa ekwa. E na ri ku. Wa salwa. E be bia van kan so you wa o. You understand? What are you trying to talk about? Suzy we ege ase wo yu ya pole denu poku. deni we wa en we nini deni eva no evi we ma iye ke deni we ekpole ni ya we worry Suzy muna send me Suzy picture if 2 children picture muna put am for my messenger iya ga so mo bogbo wa Facebook na omo no ba kan ati maya o ti maya yin no da me ma ya ari ni wa ya lele ya ye wa sawe bo na we ni a video wa video wa vi picture wa lele wa e bo ni azele wo ya mo bogbo wa with ewo e ma ni wa ke wa ya gwale ma no hin interpret e ma wa dey wa gbe abu wa we na so ni we Facebook na no social media president you we there no na ari ave otegbo mi aya me jo tegbo ipa yen Nigeria re emi na riri mi aya le lohin wa gbina wa mi eni tinu riri mi aya gbohin wa rio piari o sisi ya gbohin ame rio mo di gbohin ame alele ni na ya gbohin wa re gbe so pe yan mo logo wa gari o wa are you serious are you okay alele na ya gbohin wa yen gbere a wa ga sun WhatsApp ni wa ye lu wa send ba we bo pa yo yan na re ni o ma ni tashi yo wa mu di akemi bodun wa ma den wa pe nu wa ari pichu wa gina wa ma pichi me na but pichu wa me wa ya yen wa vio gina akpe majo wa mi ro pa abi yan je mortuary a je cemetery we na ari we wo ya bere pichu wa we ni amo iwe coffee a bere wa mi ro pa ni bere but wa bere ga be avie pichu wa avie ye coffee a bere I bury na mo kan you plaster ya pa e bare wa bury face on rock pa no we but wa bury voice my ma tie bo are you okay oh why e voice record madam la wala wo no you kodolo ya wo gavan giogo no you kodolo ya wo gavan giogo wa gbagbe wo gavan giogo una wa ya 3 days ago we wa tane una ari eki una ari open market una ya du me quindishi u du pe quindishi no wa soke american ni ari no as regalo una wa soko na wa ya dolegbu from head to toe una look that woman well na american she take rub she use the foundation and the powder she use and rub her body from head to toe una check am well from her head to toe na american she take rub this afternoon abi you think say we no know your color eri yen bleach we ye american yawo we na wo ko dollar wo ya gbongbon ya fefefe o ma gbon we hin eri yan lolo my advice for you I not say make you take am anybody bring something can't give you for your house no go who curse you for Facebook still go another place still go curse them talk as the matter take happen so far no lie so if una dey go like that so say una dey fear no go anybody wey go meet your family go cough if dem come una house come swear juju you still go Monica house carry juju go there go swear and so they dey do am anybody no call wawa well but why gi hun emi rock by the sun ebo ede egbe they talk when Suzy yati 2007 abi 2008 o gbarun pa na Facebook na abi we ma bere ebone Suzy TV 2018 we wo wa o jeje kekiyen ke ije ke Sandra Kowie unyan ya fefefe ne bo o hoji we ma bere no ni ije o yire na go febu abi we ma bere no ije why ijo why ijo npa wa we no pa o wari ba webo eri ari ba webo gian lare o ivieri o ma no see we remember we reply Melissa 3 days ago Melissa sorry o no be say I join you I not join anybody but I hate stupidity I hate people that don't I hate rubbish people that does not have sense I hate them lare right me stay in the gbe we turn on our war my me no even we gbe my sister mani we when you download the we mame emi ni me wa o me mukia o igi gwa mo I can here ti mo for 100 years he go there go he mo right from Ogbovio Kanu he gwa le rubbish mo gi dey nice say mo gi the mo say ya mo we na 100 years iyan ya fefefe wa kwagbon ya ko gbegun ya mo eri me wa wo gi me say o me wa gwa mo what am I trying to say Melissa no vessel I want use this opportunity to talk to you I beg no verse this stupid girl 4 days ago, she come out. I see her. She tie scarf. That scarf where she tie, whether na east they go, I don't know. Whether na north that scarf they go, I don't know. Whether na south they go, I don't know. Whether na east they go, I don't know. With that dress where you wear, she wear back of dress. Mona look that dress very well. Not being yourself. You go borrow. She tell you saying go carry trigger, put for your head. So that person where carry saying one carry trigger light for your head, that the same stupid person can come out today say he want go call you for ayelala or whatever one wish woman where she knew no for Uselu run about so they don't confess so children don't abandon for that place so that they abandon wish people put say she not do you anything. Ebe we boni muna not go muna not even answer wa gbe owu wa ma boni ya ve tie ne boni mana mi wa no we gbe o ve bo ari o wa kiyen kenene dede no azeni akani o gbiyan eva abu we ma be wo kala Facebook tie boni woman ni iya so ni wo wa lade ari ugbina ne Monica no we gbina na ho aro we tie bodun because na gba enu na gba enu wi pogodo oniki oni ne va de me va ahia Iriya atemeni ya wate Monica ya wa avase o ware oni Monica enye ovienye na da bie e bie ogero eko o emudia na me ya ve lolo na ni ya ve lolo na no ka settle down no ga settle down all those nie tan we won tan Monica weha Monica enya son e me ya ge Monica enya son asset won ke no mu da enyason oga set ne we kene emu da Monica hin Monica ni na ewa won na ruda ya da ukuse ya na da yo eri ya na do ya na jiri ya do ya na mujo enya because oga ugbina ukuse was ogolole gbigbigbi yin na e calm down yen mi ni ewu na obi ohan ni e kuja yen na riazen ni abi uwawe egwibezinye ni via ezuko me ni ya ta What are you talking about? Monica ni me wine ni me kesun alele 2017 Monica Monica ni me wa no I not say she dey verse for me no na you know say see am Agnes, other men say I know they join una again. I don't like rubbish. Me, I know Monica. Say Monica na liar. No. Right from small picking, I know Monica. Monica came to abroad at the age of 15 years. 10 years old for Anigboro. Monica don't they do abortion. Me know Monica. I know Monica now. Monica and mama come. They bring Monica come for me that time now. Say me I can't go give mama. Say me I can't carry and go abroad. Now I ask them say how many years Monica did? No one more like webu. I know Monica and I know him madam. We carry. She okay? She stupid? Oh me. I know Monica well now. Nobody go describe Monica and give me. All the brothers and sisters, I know all of them. So I beg Susie. Ma when mwe de la Facebook. I beg, why more de la Facebook? You got your permission me. But na my more la Facebook na be Nigeria. I re more la Facebook na ni azel level when why agwa lo no. You invite one wa den wa do kwen yezo. U wa ke la moto se ba ni ogun igbelu wa ya fefe fo gbelu wa gbeleru wa gbele ma ya ni mu dia kewe. Madam honore Kenya avec Kenya via wa zenji we run abati we vasi etie Kenya o e Kenya via wa zenji ni Uselu ni Kenya one o ave o wani ni aboni ani emode ogiobo o eriyan beba ni emode ogiobo no re 5 junction. I know all of them na. I know all of them. Mana ka debo. Are you stupid? Nigeria ni ya fefe de koron we hian tani me mana eke na debo beba ni. What they state in we hian tie be Nigeria ni mama na eke na debo beba ni. Wa gie ma gyo wani mawe ma gyo we no dio mawe ma gie nukpo give mawe. Are you stupid? Wazwa emodo ogiobo o kolotinya beba ni modo ogiobo o wani ni aboyan benu wan ni anena geni ya ukpo ni na go ran do be fine wan ni ya waruwe ba ni o ko ni ibi o he ibi rewebo ibi no rewebo ibi oka wetin ye ma yen gbo bi okpa rewebo na ga tie modern na moko ni na ya mufie ba ni ko ni ware ba ni na madan la white e be de na wen ga zenu so yan connect o So e be boni ni ariere ni wagariere o yan kan na ta o en wa ta be Facebook na o yan na te anything ni ata o en wa ta be Facebook na Monica say her father bring am ere Monica me go a ere Monica ehwe see, I tell you where Monica has there. Before you reach Lost Choosing Church, you get where they can't build Lost Choosing Church. So now Monica has that they reach before you reach Lost Choosing Church. Fendi Osas. One us yet. Now Monica has now that they reach before you reach the Lost Choosing Church. They don't build and put for them. I know say that road not good again. The road not good again. Are you serious? Monica, when me they use kente they beat. Which kind of papa na I bring and come? Madairo, Erio, Mad Mukerore, Egbero yan huya maewe. Ave mero ni me yan huya mae rabe vaniga adanyo, raga. So, audio ni nuwa ni la wo play. Precious Meg, we. In my way, we have downloaded your face and send the different WhatsApp here. No Facebook in all. Or when you block we are reverse or reverse it. Me ya fefe in my way, but I'll reverse it. You know? What are you talking about? In my way, don't mind it there. Young lily wegbina. And the Facebook in a man in your ma God is my weakness. Heaven is my weakness. Imagine we kobeni my way ni ya block we. You tell me where mama rock by way. You know, o ma can we forget me when they forget me. Maybe why they move on. We are record move your gian. Okay, we if your gian when you do so at your bomber. A bit to if your gian where you ga igwan we only made the rule lawa. Me, Madam Fearless. There may be a Facebook in Anna when I mudia yo now bash bish. Me mo morokba. I want what your bomb nothing next year. Egbe last ka check up. Me wa be here. Egbe. Ime rameje mo tien rokba ve do ama wetu wakan yagbe. Ime anybody ve do. Ime anybody arun okpa keka ve ni ana. Ime ve do ama wetu wa bu mani wa ya lele kan wo wa. U wa keve se ba ni akama wewe akwo bisi ehi. Are you stupid? Where's wa? Na truth, na Monica sleep with the papa, na even give am belle. I bet I know they talk about that Monica. She be wayward. Don't want to be human being again. Agnes, you Monica no be you. What waiting Monica know, She dey hustle because Ambrose no dey work. So now Monica need to hustle. She need to hustle morning, afternoon, night. She need to come out for Facebook like 10 times. Me and the husband take the seafood eat. If you see Monica, anytime when she take comment, she's not looking at she not they look like 37 years old. She they look like 50-something years old women where they desperate. We want meet up. I want belong. If I say yo, shawa no vio ye na de dene na. Dubai 8 karat gold no wa wo no viola dana we na ya check Dubai 8 karat gold I dey mean no can dey do the 20 euro I mean no do the 20 euro ave silo ni asilo euro silo juru ni ukponu jo ukpe kundishi we vont no muju ni ke ya enwe my bigi la we no ke we vont ni we no upgrade Igi de giwe woman yo iwo uma ehwe when why am American no was soke American for 3 good days. Who soke no imi you wa meni no na ya hwe u ya hwe na ye pada no na ya dole gbe na go dolo. Madam ya upgrades egbe skin we mu meme dene na igwalo because a skin ni oba no fwa me gwalo yani here organic organic here first class skin this thing la wo the address you the phone number when madam lawa no go we do ya there a cream because on need there because American ya wo we na American why ya we face ima wa no ka mo na we to abe wa begegbe American ya wa shine when American shine American wa ya hwe ona wa soke ona ya hwe we na balame ye gbo ya hwe ona ye pardon ro from head to toe wa ya dolegbe we wia eri eje wa de gbe tie me come no amu a Abi homa no idolawa wazuo kuwe keneni ya fefefe plus wa together minus wa divide wa equal wa ke kidney wa ki testa wa ke ni ya fefefe wa ikwa ikoke ya kukugbe vie yuwere ere na se petrol va murupaji ivi wa yuwe ibun wa ya fefefe ya wa kuwezeze ilo wa kwa salwa wa owa awa wa gbon wa hian we Joy Thomas nu pegi yawe ni pe madam iwe nu we wa pe asun na pe me o se na hian ne me o se na den na we wa pe asun we mana pe asun na you are bomb bastard agbe pai agbera gbijue ijue no huni na ma mi pisi se boro na ma mi pisi se owo emelisa we ije ari agbon o ma ne hat o yeri agbon eye ti ri agbon maria na ma iwari ave iju we ne hat emergency surgery awoji ni do gbijue ave assassin ni do gbijue yan awujue yan gijo isi fi o du na we na operate na mudu nipa iju we ni gimde gbe mi du vari na ma iwari ave yen yo sisi ya valo yen ve valo na ve vali jo nisan yen give ri agbon ave mi jo ve pan no because o ma na mo do eti form u do oka form u do mana ro mo eti form so iju we mo do ama we talking eti form ye gbon mo ropa la wo emi ni here verse we wa kota na wa ri ori o ma ri o egwe tie princess ero no re London tama wewe no ya ha doctor mo we ni ala wowo ni give animal we wo ya doctor mo because we gi reki na we yen friend of but don't no can tell friends we no we no even na gen ni amuju wa for 5 days na maka o we na we men we la yen fashion rene we la yen get rene we la yen dede na get rene e dede na rinko o we hi we rinko ne toast we nobody dey sleep with me we ma be ga be shabe no gire ni we be nu munu we yata 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 o we agi toasting yen a o yen kwe no ro pa la re iwa ya ro wodo yan biele wa ye mi kwe e ke na toast na ma toast toast we nu no huya ikpe ami we ya na okpe no toast we ya go kpe ni rederere egba imu are psychiatric hospital ya ga ederere egba ayemi no ye uwe abi we ma be uwe ya egbu we ya oyi basina sina oyi yesiranse oyi rinko from your head to toe amu we ki egbe yo to na ge we wa ki egbe yo to egbu we ni yesilasila ahian lo yen yawe wa danyo diku no eti lo yen yawe egbe giro na ilo yen yawe me gbe na lo yen ya eri yen le lo bi aropa go ask of me emelisa we nu ladian we yan gbo we weekend na we an go amu e date e won no ke o land the ticket ya do mo egbe mi no we have yen go amu we the ticket ere uwe wa eti the ticket do bu mi aditali e de my sister because me ma oni me egbu we emelisa we yan agbo e sisu we wuke no o we yan agbo we nu the ticket nu bu yan de ni kan hoyo won o yan is egbo yan egbo o yan stab we ko o we yan have testa no ro we yan viol ladian o we ke na momo je we yan viol mo me ro be va ye ani abu we ma mi no ta ni de gbe interpret e ma we se o we yan agbo e we nu the ticket no gay o man call land on the ticket ya de city okpere egele ya we me ahian we me be ge ni ri me ya we iwe nu bu me ade train station ri me ya we me o ma we yan megi gbo we na because me lane no gbina e macho gbene no gbina so e ma oni gbo e so o ma ro ne no we yan gbo e o nu de ticket wo agele onu mi na we wa the ticket ari e wo no tani we ga say wo no tani we melisa ire ma na ne o mo train station emelisa ade odo so abeyo we kodo we emergency IVF no mi ke na miomu we bie e ma ya ni ma miomo bie wala wowo wa agbe osalobo ari omo no wa but owu dana omo awa miomo ye kenye wa na hina WhatsApp me all face no re WhatsApp ni they are fake face because if WhatsApp ni iri Facebook na gbon ya mo ene so me ma mwerere gboto no do mo face on arun pa ni ye WhatsApp ni eni ya fefefe ni mu ye WhatsApp ni o de na mi ya wa mi ya wo Facebook mo ye WhatsApp me eri ya gbe recipe si yo ya recipe si pa ma send we hin agbe wa ya momo ni de coffee momo ni juwe mu we ni agu we beri eri ya we me waga swen wa kian swen. I promise you waga swen wa kian swen. Ye wa mu wa re wo nu wa man. E ma no kian we wa e pichu wa ya fefefe yen wa vie ye coffee yen beri ye wo wa mi na ya we me ya. Wa mi na ya we me. Awe na so wa ko wa kene ne Monica no wi ara. Wa na ya we me ya. Wa kiza. E wia. Awa be no hien wi hien kon. And the Chris. Eri an send the picture egume. My sister, you no go do anything. Uwe manake vie faseri yo. De no ye American ya kwa wo giavan giogo. De no ye American ya kwa ye foundation ya dolegbe from head to toe. La wo. Umanakbe record ni ogun kian gbogbo ma no send de egwe. Uwa kian lubiri. Uwa asalwa. I bet my sister Mona, thank you. May I leave una. Because the thing just vexed me this afternoon. The thing say now only the nice habito. Monica, that Monica no waru we. Unu weni Monica Unu weni. Di mo wa wo ya se because ogo all la jan unu weni. No we ati Mami Shula, you see your life. You burn first picking, you sell her. You burn second picking, you sell her. You born third picking, you sell and those twins now you go soon sell them now. You go soon sell them. Take smoke, you go where you and your boyfriend they smoke. I know say those two children now you go soon sell them. If you know they see her for Facebook, if you know they see those two children for Facebook again, you know say she don't sell and she go carry another belly because she do it born and sell. Now if she they do, she don't get 5 children now. That Mommy Shula, she don't sell 3. She don't sell 3 of her children. And those 2 now remain me and your husband. They go sell and they go take smoke it go. Oh man, not here, but no man na maso man. I will not say yen. Suzy. La wo. Uga mi no manwe. E Facebook na wo mu area yagbon yabo. Wo wa mu e social media president. E man yoga akpe kian di. Una seke no jona mu area. Una yoge wona ya mu man ni. Una ya mu egboto. Una ari kene momi bije. Una teve joge we ya mu egboto. Oni na sawefwa. I make nous leve Facebook ou rien gwen que mana semana ou que mana semana ou rien backbo e mi ya fe no mama no sunu Facebook ni suzi o bo we wa na mi we ga suzi enu we hin agwe mewa wu la wo ye Melissa lolo u ari baye la ari o wa lolo di mo wa we o wa de na baye la re wa ehwani o ni madam la wa ni attention gwa lo e no na ahia American product we there no ya wo we na gedi agbon we gbe 28 people are wa ni bege o na are life o we bege yin rokpa ma yin na o na we yin wa be sakbo ni ameke na do de product yin ekwe mu na ji na we bo wa ye first tag ji na we ye ya ji mu na unwina wo we nwina wa van nwina wota o ma na gbe oko no wa re Nigeria we ya enjoy as girl oko yen ga gu we mi wa ike ba ni po pie moto wo la wi moto drive ya store wo total o hin mi wa hin mi no we pie moto wa so wa u live na we u exercise here o love ya ado hin we yin avie ba yo we te but suppose we cash madan ri yen ya we mi na na la nwina kin nwina pa a life school no I make any has girl go my way me go what you hear me wa me of account anyway una frustration or we gbe na we you are suffering and smiling we wa jena work of one gbo wa first attack I don't do settle down relocate are in Nigeria ya relocate has girl go we me pin we ma bege kishaba we ma bege ma ya fefe ni make any ni so anso ni ya yes girl ya help we ya go wa mo a business agi wo no make na eji wina u so awe business i go allow account u ki wina pa u le ba ni ari school u bege suffer edu hina you are suffering you suffer edu hin you are not happy u ma happy ye egbagbon wo we na egbe yin pa ori mu January we la o abe ma dey go joy ru won sele what the one you were now. I'm not here for anybody. I don't like nonsense. Or to any cause la vita no gun here no jine for 19. Is when God has done it. No why here de le kwa pa ya when ya mo picture why na ni do mu ye Facebook ni mu ye page me. Or to any Celestina o vera bi joe alagbodu wa. O iwara ne ye Celestina o mu igo o mu jugu era na kembo me ma shoge akembo ni obiwe ya investigate we utana because he waka bon waka kabo era na kembo igo hu ogbe igo owo kan no ni aga ati estela no retorino no ga ari igo e family na ya mwebo gbera era na wufu era na kembo. Bye bye. See you later. Ciao.